from Kelly and Abby and Matt on their Abby's first time for skiing. Now she's coming down the hill and she's all by herself and she's doing fantastically well. She's all by herself. She fell. That's the first time she fell. The other time was with Kelly. We're getting up. Here she comes. What?
That's the one we have the video for.
Yeah. Here they come. Come on. Come on, Abby. That was good. That was perfect. Come on. Here she comes. That was fun.
No incidents until the camera's out.
I know.